And let's open the LMS together. Yeah, so as you can see here, we will discuss or read the story. The title is Mercury and the Woodman. Yeah, so if you have the workbook, please open page 14. But if you don't have the book, it's okay. Just look at the screen. Yeah, and also prepare your notebook, pen or pencil for writing the exercises or the answer of the exercises after this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is the course book, yeah. Sorry, the workbook, I mean. The workbook, yeah. So anyone here who have the book already open it? Apakah sudah ketemu halaman 14? I think already. So let's start. Yeah. So here, first of all, yeah, I will read the story first to you. Yeah. And then after that, yeah, I will ask one student to repeat, yeah, and read after me. And also I will translate some words and translate the story to you, yeah, to make you understand the story. Okay? So now I will start reading. Please listen carefully. Mercury and the Woodman. A woodman was felling a tree on the bank of a river when his axe, glancing off the trunk, flew out of his hands and fell into the water. As he stood by the water edge, lamenting his loss, Mercury appeared and asked him the reason for his grief. And on learning what had happened, out of pity for his distress, he dived into the river and bringing up a golden axe, asked him if that was the one he had lost. Okay, so I already read until this part, yeah. So here, yeah, the story is about Mercury and the Woodman. Woodman is someone who cut the trees, ya. Jadi penebang pohon. And then one day, yeah, he was about to cut the trees at the bank of a river. Jadi the tree is on the bank of the river, as you can see on the picture, ya, di pinggir sungai. And then, yeah, so glancing off the trunk flew out of his hands and fell into the water. Jadi di sini maksudnya, ya, this one is phrasal verb, ya. Kemudian this one is also phrasal verb, this one is also phrasal verb. Ya. So glancing off the trunk. Jadi maksudnya itu ketika dia memotong, ya, kan seperti X-nya itu or kapak, ya, as you can see on the picture, ini kapak. Jadi kapaknya itu ketika diayunkan kan seperti memantul, ya. Kayak kita mau potong tuh, tiba-tiba kapaknya itu seperti memantul dan jatuh dari tangannya, ya, terlepas dari pegangan tangannya and fell into water. Jadi the X is fell into the water. And then as he stood by the water edge lamenting his loss, jadi ketika itu dia langsung berdiri di pinggir sungai, ya, sambil lamenting. Lamenting is meratapi, ya, meratapi kehilangan X-nya. Oh, where is my X? I cannot find my X, ya. And then suddenly Mercury appeared. So this one is Mercury. Yeah, with the crown on his head. And then Mercury asked him, yeah, why you were sad? Ya, kenapa sedih? Ya, so grief is sad, ya. And then the woodman said, "Oh, I lost my axe. Yeah, my axe is falling down into the water." And then Mercury helped him. Yeah. So because Mercury feels so sad also, ya, he want to help the woodman. Nah, jadi di sini distress. Distress is also same as grief ya. Sadness. Kesedihannya. Karena dia merasa kasihan, he dive into the water and bringing up a golden axe. Jadi dia menyelam ke river tersebut and then bring up a golden axe. Okay. So for the first place, Aurel, read this part, start from the title until here.
Until lost. Okay.
Yes.
Mercury and the Woodman. Ling chapter honesty comes from the heart. Reading. A woodman was feeling a tree on the bank of a river when his axe glancing off the tree trunk flew out his hands and fell into the water. As he stood by the water's edge, lamenting his loss, Mercury appeared and asked his reasons for his grief. And on learning what had happened, out of pity for his distress, he dived into the river and bringing up a golden axe and asked him if that was the one he had lost.
Okay, thank you, Aurel. Good. Yeah. So what happened next after the Mercury bring up the golden axe? Yeah, let's see. So I will scroll the story again, yeah, and read the next part. Okay, so the next I will read start from here until here. The woodman replied that it was not, and Mercury then dived a second time and bringing up a silver axe, asked if that was his. "No, that is not mine either," said the woodman. Once more, Mercury dived into the river and brought up the missing axe. Okay, so yeah, after the Mercury bringing up a golden axe, yeah, then the woodman say that the golden axe is not his. Ya, jadi dia bilang, "Oh, this one is not mine." And then Mercury dive again for the second time, yeah, and bringing up a silver axe. And then Mercury asked again, "Is this yours?" And then the woodman said, "No, that is not mine either." Oh, ini juga bukan punya saya. And then Mercury dive again for the third time, ya, and bringing up the missing axe. Jadi ketiga kalinya dia menyelam, ya. Kemudian dia membawa missing axe. Jadi axe yang memang punyanya dari the woodman. So, Devia, please read this part.
Me, right?
Yes.
Okay. The woodman replied that it was not, and Mercury then dived a second time and bringing up a silver axe, asked if that was his. "No, that is not mine either," said the woodman. Once more, Mercury dived into the river and brought up the missing axe.
Okay, thank you, Devia. Yeah. So, what happened next? Let's read again. Yeah, I will read start from here until here himself. Okay. The woodman was overjoyed at recovering his property and thanked his benefactor warmly. And the latter was so pleased with his honesty that he made him a present of the two other axes, When the woodman told the story to his companions, one of these was filled with envy of his good fortune and determined to try his luck for himself. Okay, so here, yeah, when the Mercury bring up the missing eggs, ya, the woodman was overjoyed. Jadi dia itu sangat senang sekali ya, kegirangan ya, because he can find the missing eggs, and then thanked his benefactor warmly. Ya, jadi dia merasa berterima kasih atas kebaikan hati dari Mercury, ya, because Mercury was so pleased with his honesty. Jadi Mercury sangat senang sekali ya dan merasa tersentuh karena this woodman is really honest. Ya, dia sangat jujur. Kenapa bisa dikatakan jujur? Because when the Mercury bring the gold and the silver eggs, ya, Mercury said that those are not his. Ya, jadi dia bilang, oh ini bukan punya saya, berarti dia jujur, ya. Because the woodman is honest, ya. So Mercury give the other two axes. Jadi Mercury kasihlah ya the golden and silver eggs to the woodman. And then woodman told the story to his companions. Companions is like friends, ya. Jadi dia cerita ya, telling, oh, hey guys, I got two axes ya, the gold one and the silver axe, ya. So and then he tell the story ya, how can he get the axes. And then one of his friend ya was envy. Ya, jadi salah satu dari temannya itu envy atau iri or jealousy ya of his good fortune and determined to try his luck for himself. Jadi salah satu temannya akhirnya dia saja bisa dapat ya. Kenapa aku enggak? Coba aja. Nah, so he tried. So what happened for the next? Let's check together. So he went and began to fell a tree at the edge of the river and presently contrived to let his axe drop into the water. Mercury appeared as before, and on learning that his axe had fallen in, he dived and brought up a golden axe as he had done on the previous occasion. Nah, so here, yeah, the woodman's friends, yeah, or the woodman's companion, yeah, come to the edge of the river, yeah, and also pretending that he will fell a tree. Jadi dia kayak pura-pura mau menebang pohon dan presently contrive. Jadi di sini dia sengaja ya. Nah, kalau tadi the woodman kan karena dia memotong, menebang pohon itu secara tidak sengaja jatuh. Nah, kalau ini contrive, sengaja dia. Sengaja menjatuhkan axe-nya into the water. So, as the Mercury appear, yeah, and then ask him about what had happened. And then the woodman's friends say that, oh, my axe fell into the water. Can you please help me? Yeah. So Mercury dive into the river and then brought up a golden axe. Ya, sama seperti sebelumnya. Pertama, he bring a golden axe. Okay, so please Wawa read this part. Good, thank you. Yeah. So we almost at the end of the story. Yeah, let's finish it. So here, without waiting to be asked whether it was his or not, the fellow cried, that's mine, and stretched out of his hand eagerly for the prize. But Mercury was disgusted at this honesty, that he not only declined to give him the golden axe, but also refused to recover for him the one he had let fall into the stream. Yeah, so when Mercury appeared with the golden axe, ya, belum ditanya sama Mercury, oh, is this your? Belum ditanya, ya, dia langsung bilang, oh, that's mine, dan mengulurkan tangannya. But Mercury was so disgusted at his dishonesty. Jadi Mercury merasa tidak senang, ya. Oh, ternyata the woodman's friend is dishonest, tidak jujur. Ya, tadi honest lawan katanya or the antonym is dishonest. Ya. Dan decline. Decline ini artinya menolak, refuse, ya. So, the woodman didn't give the golden axe and also didn't want to help him to find his missing axe. Jadi dia tidak juga membantu mencarikan X yang sudah jatuh atau hilang. So, Nanda, please read the last part.
Okay.
Oh, Bin, ternyata ini tugas
Without
IPS
waiting to
tinggal
be
di
asked
download
whether it was him or not, the fellow cried, that's mine, and stretched out his hand
Ya, begitu
eagerly for the prize. But Mercury was so disgusted at his dishonesty
Ya.
that he not only declined to give him the golden axe, but also refused to recover for him the one he had let fall into the stream.
Thank you, Nanda. Yeah, so we already finished reading the story. Yeah, so did you get the point of the story?
Sorry about my brother, miss.
Oh, it's okay.
Tell line.
Okay, so did you get the point of the story? Apakah sudah mengerti dengan cerita ini? Please answer. Okay, so what do you think? This story, is this a good story for you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, this story is new for you, yeah? Or have you read the story about this before? Ada yang sudah pernah baca?
Yes,
Not yet. Oh, Aurel, yes.
but I don't understand anything.
Okay, but now, how about now?
There's so
Do you
many-
understand it?
Yes, kind of.
Yes? Okay. So I hope you get the point of the story. Yeah. So now we will answer the question on the next page. Yeah, page 15. Okay. If you don't have the book, yeah, it's okay. Just write the answer only on your book. On your note, yeah. Notebook. Okay. So for question number 1, I would like to ask Putri to read the question, please.
Okay. What does the author mean by the phrase "glazing of the trunk flew out of his hands"?
Okay, thank you. So what does the order mean? Jadi apa artinya ya dari glancing of the trunk and flew out of his hands? Oke. Jadi di sini artinya he 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 cut the tree and the axe fall by accident. Ya, jadi tanpa disadari ya, the axe is falling. Jadi glancing of the trunk, jadi ketika dia mau menebang pohon ya, the axe is flew out of his hand. Jadi kayak lepas ya, terjun bebas ke river. Okay, so can we move to number 2? For number 2, I would like to ask Rara to read the question number 2, please.
What did the woodman do when Mercury broke out the golden and silver eggs?
Okay, good. Thank you. Yeah. What did the woodman do? So he said that those axes were not his. Ya, jadi di sini dia bilang, oh, kedua axe tersebut, ya, the golden and the silver axe is not his, bukan punyanya dia. Okay, for number 3, please Alexa read the question.
Why was Mercury pleased with the woodman's
Behavior.
behavior?
Okay, thank you. Ya, kenapa Mercury merasa senang atau tersentuh dengan woodman's behavior? Ya, behavior itu artinya perilaku dari si woodman. Because he was honest. Ya, karena dia jujur. Ya, jadi that's why the Mercury was pleased. Okay. The next, please Ayu read the number 4. The question number 4.
What kind of man was the woodman's companion?
Okay, what kind of man ya? Jadi temannya itu seperti apa? He was a dishonest man. Ya, dia adalah orang yang tidak jujur. Ya. Okay, number 5, I would like to ask Rafa to read the question.
Oh, yes.
Okay, number 5, please.
What did Mercury do when the woodman's companion claimed the golden axe of his own as his own?
Okay, good. Yeah. So what did the Mercury do? He didn't give the golden axe and refused to help him finding the missing axe. Oke, jadi dia tidak memberikan golden axe tersebut dan juga menolak ya untuk membantu dia mencari axe yang sebenarnya miliknya. Okay. So we have finished answering part A. After this, we will move to part B, yeah?
Wait a minute.
Okay, I will wait. So after answering part A, I have some additional questions for you. Ya, Miss Rus punya beberapa tambahan. So to make sure whether you already understand the story or not. Because this story, I will also put it on the ATS. So I will make sure that you already understand about the story, yeah. Okay, so have you finished written the answers? Already finished?
Finish, Miss.
Okay.
Finish, Miss.
So now my additional question is, how many characters are there in the story?
Two.
Okay, 3. There are 3 characters. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, please mention.
The Woodman,
Good. The
And
Woodman,
the Mercury,
the Mercury,
and Woodman's friend.
and the Woodman's friend or the Woodman's companion. Good. Okay, so where did the story took place?
By the
What, Miss?
Where did the story took place?
by the river.
River.
Okay, took place good. And then the next question is, okay, what is the moral value or the message of the story? Apa
Don't
yang bisa kita dapat dari cerita ini?
be honest.
Okay, be honest. Okay, we must be honest. Anything else? Ada lagi kira-kira?
We have to helping each other.
Okay, we should help each other. Good.
Berapa kamu bayar?
Any other? Any other opinion, please?
Oh,
And not lying.
Oh, not lying. That's good. Benar sekali. Ya, not lying or
Nggak bohong.
don't be dishonest. Ya.
Miss, can I photo?
Oh, yes, you may.
Thank you.
Ada lagi? Atau sudah segini saja? That's all? Okay, yeah. So, there are 3 characters in the story. Yeah, they are the woodman, the Mercury, and the woodman's friend or companion. And then the story took place in the river. And the moral value of the story or the message of the story is we must be honest, we should help each other, and not lying or don't be dishonest. Good. So that's mean that you already understand about the story. Good job. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the next we will answer the question on part B. Yeah. Can we move to the part B?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So part B is easy because we need to draw line. Ya, draw line only. Jadi kita cuman menggambar garis and match the word on the left side with the word on the right side. Ya. So here we need to match the word from the text with their meanings. Ya. So the word here on the left side is failing, and then lament, distress, benefactor, companion, envy, contrive, and decline. And then the meanings here, there are sorrow, a person who gives money or things to help others, and then deliberately created, cutting down, jealousy, politely refuse, shed tears for, on a person with whom one spent a lot of time. Okay, so let's start from number 1. Yeah. Nanti for student who didn't have the book, ya, yang tidak punya buku mungkin bisa menulis seperti ini nanti. 1, misalkan failing, and then write the meaning, ya. Nah, for failing, which one is the meaning of failing?
What is sorrow?
Sorrow is like sadness.
Sadness.
Mhm.
Deliberate. What is that?
Deliberately created. Jadi melakukan sesuatu dengan sengaja.
Maybe cutting down.
Cutting down, good. Nah, nanti yang tidak punya buku bisa tulis di notebooknya seperti ini. Number 1, failing sama dengan cutting down. Okay, so for those who have the book, just make line like this.
Okay.
Lemon. What is that? I forgot.
Yeah.
Number 2. Lament.
Lament. Oh, lament is meratapi.
Oh, meratapi.
Yeah, meratapi like thinking about something, yeah, that makes you sad.
Sorrow.
Oke, ada yang lebih tepatnya lagi. Oke, for lament. Lament is shed tears for.
Oh.
Aha. Jadi kayak
Itu
meratapi
gudang nggak
ya.
sih? Shed itu
Oh,
gudang.
where is the X? Like that. How can I find the X? Nah, kayak gitu.
Shed is gudang.
Ya?
Shed is gudang.
Tapi di sini shed tears for ya. Jadi dia seperti kayak mau nangis-nangis gitu, berkaca-kaca. Like that.
Oh,
Mhm.
alright. Distress.
Okay, next is distress. Distress is the same as grief and the same as sadness. Kesedihan, rasa
So it's
duka.
sorrow.
Yes, sorrow. Good. Sorrow.
Benefactor. Hah?
Okay, the next is benefactor. Benefactor is people, yeah, who always kind, who always help each other. Ya, kalau di bahasa Indonesia, benefactor is orang yang baik hati atau orang yang dermawan.
B.
B.
Ya,
A
that's
person
good.
who gives
Ya,
money or
B.
things to help others.
Ya, a person who give money or things to help others. Benefactor. Okay, so number 5 is companion. Companion is
H.
good. Yeah, a
Also,
person with whom one spends a lot of time.
like a best friend.
Yeah, like best friend.
Envy, jealous.
Jealousy.
Yeah, envy is jealousy.
What's controvert?
What is that?
Contrive. Yeah, contrive is doing something in purpose. Jadi melakukan sesuatu dengan sengaja. Contrive.
So it's like deliberately created.
Yes. Contrive is
Oh,
deliberately
pura-pura.
created.
What is wrong with people?
My
Yeah,
little
same
sister
as
has achieved.
the woodman's
say that?
companion. Yeah, the woodman's friend contrived his axe fell into the
Nikolai.
river. Jadi dia sengaja. Yeah, deliberately created. So it's also can be deliberately created is also can be making something ya with your heart, kayak bersungguh-sungguh dengan hati-hati, bisa juga artinya seperti itu. And then the last decline is
Politely.
ya, politely refuse, ya. Jadi menolak, ya. Decline, refuse is the same. Like synonym. Okay, so for those who didn't have the book, you can write like this on your note, yeah. Number 1, felling, and then cutting down. And then number 2, lament is
Amen.
shed tears for. And then number 3, distress is sorrow.
Sorrow.
Sorrow. Sorrow. And then number 4 is benefactor. Benefactor is people or person who gives money or things to help others. Number 5, companion is person with whom one spends a lot of time. Yeah, or we can say best friend or family maybe. Yeah. And then envy, it can be jealousy. And then contrive is deliberately created. And the last decline is politely refuse. Yeah, so those are the answers of this part. Yeah. Okay, so please make sure that you already understand and got the point of this story. Yeah. So do you have any question about this story?
No.
No.
Okay,
It's
is the
a bit
story
interesting.
clear? Okay. Yeah, this one is good story actually. Yeah. Tell us about honesty. Yeah, please don't be dishonest. We should help each other. Yeah.
Never tell lie.
Yeah, never tell lie. Yeah. Like one of the school program. Yeah, speak the truth. Yeah. Don't tell a lie. Okay.
The last part.
So,
Is it?
can I close this screen?
Yes, please.
Okay. So after this, I will check your attendance. Yeah. To
Wait, what?
fill the attendance list. Jadi ini
Miss,
mau
the
cek
last part.
yang hadir hari ini siapa saja.
The last part.
Okay, so we only do the exercise on part A and part B only. Yeah.
Oh,
Mhm.
we follow it or not?
Oh no.
Oh,
Yeah, I believe you already finished
Correct.
writing. Yeah, and honest. Yeah. So if you miss some part of the answers, yeah, you can check the LMS. I will upload it on the LMS, yeah, and also the
Okay.
recording. You can check
Okay.
after the class finish. Okay, so that is it, ya. So Mercury here, ya. Jadi Mercury ini mungkin seorang dewa atau something like that, ya, who lives in the river or in the water.
King.
Ya, jadi katanya dulu ada Mercury yang tinggal di dalam air.
I love the crown.
Ya. Okay. Yeah. So I will put the answer key below this one. Yeah, after the class finish. And then now I will fill in the attendance list.